With robotic process automation, organizations can automate time-consuming, repetitive, and tedious order operations processes. In this demo, you'll see how Roboyo helped a large conglomerate automate the planning and scheduling of packages in the maintenance and engineering department end-to-end with RPA. Prior to automation, the maintenance planning and scheduling department would have to manually schedule a variety of work order packages from all work centers biweekly according to the planning period. The process involved reviewing notifications, creating work orders and reports, manipulating system status, scheduling and rescheduling orders, and printing packages. With each package taking up to 3 minutes, the team had to handle a volume of up to 80 items daily. This required the attention of up to 2 full-time employees, spending 2+ hours combined on a daily basis. Due to this process's high volume, error-prone, and time-consuming nature, it was selected as an ideal candidate for automation with RPA. Let's take a look at how Roboyo automated the process. The bot will first navigate to the list of order operations by logging into SAP and entering the appropriate transaction code to access the scheduling page. Then it selects the proper variant and layout for the scheduling before it starts the first process by double-clicking the first work order to populate on screen. It adjusts the date range to account for a 2-month period and the capacity scheduling range for a 5-month period. Once the screen is populated, the bot will pick the revision date and start selecting the revision tab for each item while also updating the user status to ready to be scheduled. Once the user status is set, the bot will navigate to the Planning tab, to the Maintenance Plan, and scroll to the Maintenance Plan Schedule Calls tab. Select the open plan date and copy it where there is no call date. Select the revision with the date range that contains the planned date captured above, and change the basic start date to the first Monday of the revision week determined earlier and save the changes. With this automation, the maintenance and engineering department experienced significant time savings while generating better forecasts for maintenance scheduling. The process owner also benefited from having more opportunities to do higher value work instead of spending hours a day manually processing this repetitive task, enabling him to grow within his role. By automating this crucial process, Roboyo helped our client free up to 20 hours of manual work per week, creating up to 1,040 hours of additional efficiency per year in this process alone, assisting our client's maintenance and engineering team with a more efficient and innovative method to perform this process, while ensuring 100% data accuracy, and most importantly, freeing valuable human talent to focus on more strategic initiatives at the enterprise. Contact us if you're ready to start or scale your automation journey.